spoke to a few singing teachers and they said yes, you'll be able to answer that question after this. But Jessie wanted to walk out to a song which we cancelled in the end, which was TLC Waterfall.
He's not going to play that.
That's not what you're playing, is it?
But I'm going to play.
Yeah. Bon Jovi.
Now you have to bear with me because this is I don't even know how I'm doing this. Alright.
You married him.
Lonely mother gazes out at the window, there's something she just can't tell. Tommy's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all.
Amazing. Jay, everybody else going to start it. Good.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. We stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little precious as a natural stare.